In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Maps on your Fitbit Charge 6, and this way you can get turn-by-turn notification on your watch. So how to do this? Very easy. Make sure that your Fitbit Charge 6 is turned on. Take your smartphone and go on the Fitbit app. This is the main screen of the app. You're going to tap on the top left corner, this icon over here, a smartphone and a watch, like this. And you should see Charge 6 here in this list. Tap on it and then tap on Google Maps. Next, you're going to press on Setup. Then allow Bluetooth by pressing OK. You'll get this message saying that the setup is now complete. Press Done. And you have a few options. If you scroll down over here, you can select if you want the app on your Fitbit to auto start. So let's say you're entering an address and you start navigating on Google Maps on your phone, it will automatically start on your watch. So you don't have to touch your watch at all. If you want this feature to be on, just let this checked. And you can also select if you want it to be available while you're cycling, while you're driving. It's unchecked because most people don't want to have this on their wrist, because obviously I think it's a safety hazard, really. When you walk, I guess most people will use it when they walk. So keep them like this. And just to show you an example how it works, let's say right now I opened Google Maps on my phone and I have selected destination, and I'll press direction here. It will tell me the direction to my destination, and then when I press start, you should see the usual map that you have on Google Maps. Now if you check on your watch, you're going to see the direction with a small arrow pointing in where to go, and when you arrive to an intersection, they will tell you if you need to turn right or left. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.